Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kusoo dhawaad channelka maanta oo hagaajinayno dadka jidka waxa way dirabnaa su'aalo soo aragno. What comes to your mind when you see a Somali guy? Let's go. Hadaa ku cusubtahay channelka subscribe ka saar maxaa suge. Notification shido, like, comment wax walba. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Collins Ondonga.
Collins Ondonga. My name is Elia. Unahitaji jina lako?
Majina Stanley.
Stanley.
Joseph.
Joseph. John. Sami naitwa Elias. So we want to ask the people what comes to your mind when you see a Somali people.
I take him like my brother.
Your brother.
Yes.
What comes to your mind when you see a Somali guy?
Somali girl.
Yes.
I think if she can be my wife.
No, it's not a girl. A guy.
A boy.
Yes.
Oh,
All Somalis, all.
Oh, Somali.
All.
I think what about we can be friends with them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you? What?
Somali is my fellow friends.
Yes. Your fellow friends. Thank you.
Okay, if I see a Somali people, is Islamic, but me, I'm a Christian.
Yes.
But we have been living
Together.
for a very long time.
Right.
Yeah. That is Christianity and Muslims. But we are brothers and sisters.
Brothers and sisters.
Yes.
What comes to your mind is like they are like people, brothers and sisters. They are not other people, right?
Okay, what I can say,
Yes.
the Christianity and Muslim, they are now broke it and people are antagonism, but they should be preaching God. This is the same God they are preaching.
Yes.
They might be different, but the same God.
Yes.
Even the Muslims people, they just praying.
Yes.
Christians are also praying.
But unahitaji Omar. Sasa nataka nikuulize swali. Swali ni watu kutoka Kenya tunaita Kenya, si ndio? Watu kutoka Ethiopia tunaita Ethiopians.
Kwanza umekosea.
Sema
Kenya umetoka umesema Kenya, si umetoka umesema kwa English. Na wewe unaongea Kiswahili.
So lazima niongee Kiswahili.
Lazima kama ni Kiswahili weka kwa Kiswahili, kama ni English weka kwa English.
Acha tuongee.
Ufunge bana.
The question is, the people from Kenya, we call it Kenyans.
Kenyans.
From Ethiopia, we call it Ethiopians. So what do we call the people from Somali?
Somalis.
Somalis.
Yeah.
Somalis, that's the answer.
Yeah, Somalis.
Somalis.
Yeah.
So, thank you. That's the only question. So, sio unahitaji?
Mimi naitwa Victor.
Mimi naitwa Elia. Sasa swali ni tunauliza watu kutoka Kenya tunaita Kenya, si ndio? Watu kutoka Ethiopia tunaita Ethiopia, si ndio? Watu kutoka Somali tunahitaji
Kutoka Somali.
Somali, si ndio? Sawa.